Ready, Claire?
Yes.
Go for it.
Hi, I'm Claire from Central RC. You don't normally see me because I'm normally behind the camera, but today I thought I'd show you how to fly the Go-Go bird. If you can see it here, very pretty packaging. We shall get it out of a box and see how it flies. So here it is, the Go-Go bird. Come and have a look, Dom. Come close and have a look. It's made of really cool material and very pretty and really, really nice size. In the box there comes everything you need to fly it, obviously the bird and the charger and the controller. All we've had to do is put a couple of AAA batteries in it and it's ready to go. Doesn't it look good? It's not very windy today. Let's see how it will cope. The tails are flapping nicely in the breeze, but let's see what happens when we launch it.
All right, so how do you launch it, Claire?
Well, I think you just press that big button there. So I'm going to...
You don't actually.
Do you not?
You see, I read the instructions.
Oh, well, I don't do instructions.
Yeah, 30 years of marriage and I know that. What there is on the back of that controller is a trigger.
Oh, okay.
There are actually two ways you can launch this. You can do it with the trigger, don't do it yet. And when you do the trigger, the wings will start flapping.
Cool.
And you just gently toss it into the air. Or the other way is you can kind of do that with your hand,
Okay.
apparently, and it will start flapping by itself.
Well, which way shall we try?
And that, well, before that, then you've got the joystick, left, right.
Oh, that's the joystick. Okay.
Left, right, and then forwards and backwards, faster and slower. And then if you look on the controller, there are some buttons below that
Yeah.
that make it fly in different patterns. So figure of 8 or just round in a circle, that type of thing.
Oh.
So without any inputs, it will just do that. Apparently.
So you have read the instructions?
I have. I always read the instructions.
Right.
I know you're not a fan of doing that. You think everything should just work out of the box.
Well, I'm going to do the launch, I think, to start with.
What does that mean? The trigger?
No, press the trigger.
Yeah.
And then up in the air.
Yes.
Gently.
All right. Yes.
Gently.
Just gently toss it forward.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
No.
No. Do you know what
you
have to wait? You have to wait for the wings to flap. Oh my God.
Right.
All right, no, hold on. We'll be back in a moment.
We'll try that again.
Yeah. All right, so attempt number 2. So what we've checked this time is that the bird actually is on, because there's a green light underneath if you press the switch, and the transmitter is on, okay?
So that wasn't me then.
No, that wasn't nuclear.
Cool.
Oh, am I kidding?
Right, ready?
Trigger.
Trigger.
Yeah. All right, so attempt number 3. So this time, I think it needs a firmer kind of, yes, and into the wind. So you see the tail feathers, they're kind of indicating the way, you got it, you see.
Gosh. Right.
Very important that when you launch any radio controlled aircraft that you launch it into wind. So slight up angle this time, and do the same on the trigger.
Yes. Ready?
Yep. Yep. Again, you kind of dropped it.
I did drop it.
You need to throw
I'll
it.
do the launch now.
Launch.
We're getting there. Yeah, I'm getting there.
Well, we're not. Come on. There you go. And you control the direction with this.
Well, I think I am. Oh, gosh, I am. Oh, it's really good.
Bring it this way.
That was really good.
Well, it was in the air for about 10 to 20 seconds. That's not bad. Should we try again?
I really like that, yeah.
Go on then, go and get it. So what do you think you learnt from that third? What am I saying? Third attempt.
Well, there's actually a very critical thing which you didn't tell me.
There we go.
When you launch, you have to keep your finger on that launch button or it stops. That's why it kept stopping.
Really?
Yeah. That's you have to. If you take your finger off that, it just loses all power, which is quite good. It's a good safety control, but yeah, that was the problem to start with.
All right then.
Are you ready?
I'm Always ready.
No.
Oh, what's wrong here then? You might need to switch it on again underneath. So if you look underneath,
Yeah,
oh, it's flashing red.
it's flashing red.
So turn it off. Just click on that button. It's a bit fiddly.
Yeah.
Shall I?
Yeah, you do
hold it.
Yeah.
Almost have to use a fingernail.
Gosh.
Yeah, that's off.
Yeah.
It was flashing red. I'll turn it back on again. Blue, green.
Oh, excellent.
So and that's unusual. So you have to turn it off and back on again.
Are you ready? Right.
Oh. Left. And forward stick. I find, Claire, with these types of toys that it's good for fitness.
It has gone back to red again.
Uh-huh. Well, you didn't read the manual, so you're not quite sure what that means, I guess, but it probably means stop.
Probably means you've crashed again. But I had a bit more control of it that time.
Right, so you think you can turn it off and back on again?
You're pressing it down, are you? It's really
Yes.
fiddly, isn't it?
With your nail, you
Oh,
kind
yeah.
and then on, and it goes through two other colours and then goes green.
Oh, yeah.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
Right, now, can I suggest I launch it this time? So you can
Yes.
focus on the control, and I've got a bit of a stronger arm. Okay?
Ready?
Go on, go on! Not as long that time.
No, it didn't seem to have so much power. I think I should get you to do it, and I'll video and see if it's me or the bird. What do you reckon?
It won't be you, Claire.
It might be.
All right, I'll give it a go.
We'll just do a little experiment. See.
I'll probably do worse, but I'll give it a go.
Yeah,
All right.
Cool. All right then.
Right. So it's flashing red again. Off. On. Green. All right. Are you ready, Claire?
I am ready. What an experiment.
I tell you what, of all the RC aircraft I have flown, this is at the top of the list. Turbine jets, big warbirds. This is... Oh, it's off! It started going by itself, mind of its own.
What, you haven't pressed the launch button?
No, you know what, I think it's if you move it.
Oh, okay.
It's not even switching on now. It might be out of battery.
I thought it was running out of power when I had it.
I think that was the problem. So I do have a spare. It comes with two batteries actually. That's another thing Claire didn't share with you. And I have the other one. Should be charged up. So give me a moment and I'll change over the battery. So I've changed over the battery, and unfortunately that one's flat, and this one's flat. Even though I charged up the other one, I'm a bit confused by that. So this is part one of Claire's review of the Go-Go bird. I'm not sure if we rate that a success.
No, I like that.
You
It was
like
good.
it, yeah, but it only flew for like 20 seconds. I think the viewers are going to be expecting something a little bit more impressive than that if they went out and bought this. So we're going to be back for part two, Claire. Claire, you're going to have to come back for part two and do it again and show. I think it has to fly for like 45 seconds to a minute, you know, for people to seriously consider going and getting one of these, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
This is kind of the toy
I reckon
kid end of the housewife end of the
Oh,
spectrum.
behave. I reckon it's good so far. Is my rating.
Really?
Good so far.
Based on what? Based on the fact that it's you know, you're getting fit by wandering around and picking it up, not from it flying. So unfortunate. Claire will be back. She'll be in front of the camera, and we'll get this to fly. I think honestly it's probably because we didn't charge up the batteries enough. When it arrived, there was actually the battery that we used and worked was in the bird. I'm quite surprised by that, but we will fully charge it up and we'll be back. Thanks for watching this essential RC flight test. Claire's first of many, I'm sure. Please subscribe and click on the bell icons for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. Otherwise, we'll be back soon.
Bye.
Bye.
The launch now.
Launch.
We're getting there. We are getting there.
Well, we're not. Come on. There you go. And you control the direction with this.
Well, I think I am. Oh gosh, I am. Oh, it's really good.
Bring it this way.
That was really good.
Well, it was in the air for about 10 to 20 seconds. That's not bad. Should we try again?
I really like that. Yeah.
Go on then. Go and get it.